Droopy eyes, droopy eyes. Okay, so if you have droopy eyes, remember what keeps your muscles moving. Okay, when you have weakness of your eyes, you can't open it up. Your eyelids. It's neurological. Okay, it's neurological issues. Also means you have your sinus congestion, the mucus in the head. It's affecting your eyes, ears, nose. It affects your brain as well. Remember that the cerebellum is the back of the head here. It controls your nerves. So if you have mucus in your head, okay, stagnation, the cerebellum is affected and your nervous system is affected, you can have droopy eyes. Okay, so clean your sinuses. Make sure you use a tincture, neurological tincture, circulation tincture. I would use an eyesight tincture to wash my eyes. I would also clean my bowels. Make sure you have good bowel movements. Okay, use the bowel strength tincture. But work on your kidneys, work on your lymphatic system, work on your adrenal glands. Because remember, when acids stagnate, the acids will burn, acids will affect your nervous system, acids will also affect your, will dry things up for you. So for your nervous system, you clean your head, as I said, you clean your bowels because the solar plexus, they house a nerve center, and you also clean your adrenal glands. And that's how you take care of this droopy eyes. Your eyes will get back in order once the nervous system is strong and perked up. I would also work on my parathyroid gland because that makes use of calcium. When you have weak calcium utilization, tissue tends to be weak and it's not strong, it's not supple, and this can happen to you as well. Okay.